Idealism, naturalism, realism and pragmatism. Comparison idealism. A. Exponents: Socrates, Plato, Descartes, Spinoza, Berkeley, Kant, Fichte, Schelling, Hegel, Schopenhauer, T.H. Green, Gentile, Froebel, Swami Dayanand, R.N. Tagore, Gandhi, Aurobindo and Vivekananda. B. Fundamental principles. 1. Mind and thought are real, though the outlook is spiritual. 3. Believe in the existence of God. 4. Ultimate reality is spiritual. 5. Universe is created by God. 6. Eternal values like truth, goodness and beauty are perennial and not subject to change. 7. Spiritual laws are universal. 8. Values are predetermined. 9. It is a monistic concept. Thus, it is psychocentric. Mind is at the center of reality. C. Educational principles. 1. Spiritual is at the base of education. Emphasis is on the spiritual and moral environment. 2. Teacher and curriculum are the centers of education. 3. Emphasizes book learning. 4. Attaches emphasis on discipline of the child. 5. Emphasizes on thinking and reasoning. 6. Believes in positive education. 7. Education is the dynamic side of philosophy. D. Aims of education. 1. The aim of education is self-realization, though aims at spiritual development. 3. Development of moral sense. 4. Development of creative power. 5. Development of complete man. 6. Preservation and enrichment of cultural environment. 7. Realization of truth, beauty and goodness. E. Curriculum. 1. Emphasis is on ethics and study of humanities. 2. Based on moral, spiritual and intellectual values. 3. Important subjects are religion, ethics, art, language, literature, music. Philosophy, history, etc. F. Methods of teaching. 1. Advocating a lot of methods. Not advocated a single method. 2. Questioning, conversation, dialogue, discussion, lecture, inductive and deductive, playway, storytelling, exercise or practice, argumentation, book study, etc. G. Discipline. 1. Unrestrained freedom is not allowed, though emphasizes regulated freedom. 3. Emphasizes embrace Zionistic discipline. 4. Self-discipline. 8. Teacher. 1. Teacher's position is very high. 2. He guides, directs, suggests and controls the situation. He is like a gardener whose function is to carefully tend the little plants under his disposition. I. School. 1. It is the only place for regular and effective education. 2. It is a place for carrying pleasant and joyful activities. Comparison naturalism. A. Exponents: Aristotle, Auguste Comte, Hobbes, Bacon, Darwin, Lamarck, Huxley, Spencer, G.B. Shaw, Pestalozzi, J.J. Rousseau, Samuel Butler. B. Fundamental principles. 1. Nature alone is entire reality, it is ready-made, though the outlook is materialistic. 3. Do not believe in existence of God. 4. Ultimate reality is physical. 5. Universe is the natural creation. 6. There is no spiritual values. 7. Do not believe in value, soul, God, religion and divine spirit. 8. Physical and natural laws are universal. 9. It is a monistic concept. 10. It is naturocentric, nature is at the center. C. Educational principles. 8. Based on psychology. Child is the center of education. 2. It emphasizes basic instincts, interests and tendencies. 3. Nature is the base. Follow nature is the slogan. 4. Puts emphasis on unrestrained freedom. 5. Opposes bookish knowledge. 6. Believes in negative education. 7. Education is the dynamic side of philosophy. D. Aims of education. 1. The aim of education is self-expression. 2. Emphasizes the autonomous development of personality. 3. Adjustment to environment. 4. Preparation for struggle of existence. 5. Attainment of present and future happiness. E. Curriculum. 1. Emphasis on science. 2. It is based on need, ability, aptitude and the nature of the child. 3. Humanities occupies subsidiary place in the curriculum. 4. Main subjects are games and sports, physical sciences, physiology, hygiene, physics, chemistry, biology, sociology, domestic science. F. Methods of teaching. 1. Learning by doing, learning through experience, playway method, observation, Dalton plan, direct method, heuristic, Montessori. Kindergarten methods. G. Discipline. 1. Unrestrained freedom, discipline through natural consequences. Do. Emphasizes emancipatory discipline. 8. Teacher. 1. Teacher is behind the scene. 2. He is hot to interfere in the child's activities. 3. His role is subsidiary. 4. He is a stage setter, setting the stage. I. School. 1. Nature is the best school. 2. School should be a natural and spontaneous field for undertaking free activities by children. Comparison realism. A. Exponents. Aristotle, Erasmus, Rabelais, Milton, Lord Montaigne, Locke, Bacon, Comenius, Whitehead, Bertrand Russell Mulcaster, Rathke. B. Fundamental principles. 1. Physical world is real. 2. Importance on material world which is real. 3. Cause-effect relationship is universal and universally accepted. 4. Fully scientific attitude. 5. Do not believe in the existence of God. 6. Matter is the center of reality, matter-centric. 7. Believe in material prosperity and comfortable living. 8. It is a pluralistic concept. No, physical laws are universal. Thus, it is reality-centered. C. Educational principles. 1. Based on science, only material world is the base. Do. Emphasizes child-centered education. Education is to be imparted in accordance with the interests of the child. 3. Emphasizes observer time, experimentation, and experience. 4. Opposes bookish learning. 5. It is liable to change according to a change in life. 6. Attaches due importance to discipline. 7. Philosophy is developed from education. D. Aims of education. 1. Preparing the child for a real life. 2. Development of physical and mental powers of the child. 3. Development and training of senses. 4. Development of a complete man. 5. Adjustment with physical and social environment. 6. Imparting vocational education. E. Curriculum. 1. Subjects concerning day-to-day life are included. 2. Emphasis on practical and utilitarian subjects. 3. Main subjects are natural science, biological science, physical sciences, health, culture, maths, geography, history, astronomy, sports and vocational education. F. Methods of teaching. 1. Inductive method, objective methods, learning by walking and by experience, correlation teaching, experimental method and heuristic method, etc. G. Discipline. 1. Restricted freedom. 2. Self-discipline. 3. Emphasizes a synthetic type of impressionistic and emancipating discipline. 8. Teacher. 1. Teacher's role is supreme. 2. He should present facts in the real form in an intelligent way. He should not add anything of his own. 3. He should provide opportunities for observation and experimentation. iSchool. 1. It is a socially well-planned institution. 2. It is a mirror of society. Comparison pragmatism. A. Exponents. William James, Charles Peirce, Schiller, John J. Dewey, Kilpatrick. B. Fundamental principles. 1. Reality is in process. It is still in making and not ready-made. Though the outlook is social. 3. Believe in the existence of God to an extent. 4. Ultimate reality is utility. 5. Universe has been created by man. 6. Values are changeable which are created by man. 7. It is anthropocentric. Human experience at the center of reality. 8. It is pluralistic. No law is universal. Society is the base. Thus, it is anthropocentric. C. Educational principles. 1. Emphasizes on social and physical environment. 2. Attaches importance on experimentation, experience and utility. 3. Child is at the center of all educational activities. 4. Opposes bookish learning. 5. Philosophy is developed from education. 6. Supports restricted freedom of the child. 7. Education is a dynamic and active process. D. Aims of education. 1. The aim of education is dynamic in nature, though aims at social efficiency. 3. Adjustment with present and to change the present. 4. Aim is more education. 5. Creation of new values. 6. Educational aims change according to times, places and circumstances. 7. No predetermined or fixed aims. E. Curriculum. 1. Emphasis on practical and utilitarian subjects. 2. Based on the principle of utility, integration and child's natural interests and experience. 3. Important place to scientific and social subjects. 4. Important subjects are health and hygiene, physiology, sociology, history, geography, agriculture, home science, mathematics. F. Methods of teaching. A. Learning by activity, though learning through experience. 3. Project method. 4. Experimental method. 5. Integration method. 6. Correlation. G. Discipline. 1. Restricted freedom, though social discipline. 8. Teacher. 1. Teacher occupies an important place in education. 2. He puts the pupil in the position of a discoverer or experimenter. 3. He is not to impose anything on the child. 4. He is a friend, philosopher and guide. 5. He helps the child to solve his problems himself. iSchool. 1. School is a laboratory for experimentation. 2. It is society in miniature.